At Samy's Camera, we've always believed deeply in supporting the power of our customers' creativity. Now more than ever, we know that the fight against COVID makes supporting our customers even a greater challenge. Your safety and the safety of our store partners is job number one, and here's how we do it. First, masks are mandatory. We all wear masks, and we make it clear to our customers that you must wear a mask when shopping at Samy's Camera. It's a simple thing that makes a huge difference. Second, we always observe social distancing. Our stores are clearly marked to guide you through our locations. Third, we provide sanitation stations so that you and we can keep our hands clean. Fourth, our rental departments sanitizes all rental equipment after each customer use, ensuring you have a safe experience when you rent from us. Fifth, we happily provide touchless curbside pickup for your safety and convenience. So join us at any of our Southern California locations for a COVID-free shopping experience. And remember, Samy's Camera is so much more than a camera store. See you soon.